Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's August 11, Sunday. And nagpa-park lang dito si Babe sa Walter Mart, Batangas. Nagpa-park siya sa kanyang VIP parking. Today, wala naman kaming ganong agenda or plano. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung aming Enchanted Kingdom na date, watch it and I'll link it down below. Feeling! Hindi ko nga alam kung paano mag-link down below. Pero kung hindi ko magawa, basta, panoodin nyo na lang, i-check nyo na lang sa aking YouTube channel.
Pupunta sa Walter Mart.
Yan, dito kami ngayon sa Walter Mart. So, siguro yung typical date lang namin. Kain-kain and coffee. Pero, babe, are you ready?
Saan?
Are you ready? Nagtataka siya, hindi niya alam. I have a gift for babe. Wala lang. Open it.
Ah, belt. Ay, ba't ano? Ano ulit?
Hope you like it.
Kasi may bigay ka pa sa atin yan eh.
8 pa ka lang gusto mo. Okay, pupunta na kami sa Walter Mart. Bye! Here's our food for today. Our favorite Hong Kong style fried noodles. Dalawa lang na siomai yung in-order namin and we ordered Japanese kasi umorder pa kami na siomai sa Siomai House kasi super powerful talaga nito. Maganda dito, unlimited yung mga choices mo ng sauces. So, ito yung fried noodles with egg. Kaso nabalot na siya ng chili. Tsaka yung parang peanut sauce na nilagay ko. Then, 2 siomai.
Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall. You tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it all. How you scared of making plans when your friends all calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even want to dance? You tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, hey, put it in the Jeep.
We're going home.
Hey, you ain't gotta tag me. I can meet the arm in the background, babe.
The baked sushi and our spicy pancit canton with egg. And we're gonna play a movie as well. Kaso, nasa ML pa yung pinapanood niya.
Guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know.
Hey everyone, it's the next day, August 12, Monday. At papunta kami ngayon ng Lipa. At kasama namin si Tutoy. Kaya nga na nabanggit ko kahapon, mag-aayos ako ngayon ng aming passport. Dala ko na yung mga documents. At after ng aming passport appointment, isasama namin kayo sa aming adventure.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck.
May tasla kami guys sa gilid namin. Iyan na, nasa gilid na namin. Tapos ko lang mag-passport appointment. Medyo matagal din pala. Oh yes. Kasi ang appointment ko ay 11 pero 11:30 na. Yung mga pang 10 AM pa rin yung ina-appoint or yung mga ginagawa. Pero okay na siya. Maghahanap na kami ng kakainan and magpa-party-party na kami.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing Lady Luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't wanna
We're now on our way to SM.
baby, this world it drives me.
All I wanted was a bit of honesty, but you were fronting, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than friends, you went ahead and lied. Now I'm crashing, trying to get back on my feet, but it won't happen as long as you're still haunting me. So I'm writing all these songs to get you out my head, but the memories stay behind. Sometimes I start missing you, crazy, ain't nothing quite like you. So I'm writing all these songs to get you out my head, but my heart won't say goodbye.
And the day is almost over and andito ko ngayon sa bahay ng mga ate at mag-i-sleep over ako. Mag-i-sleep over ako dito. For the first time. Ito yung TV nila at mamaya inaantay lang namin ng Kuya Cheche. Kasalang kami ng movie and we will do a movie time. Teka lang, censored. At ito po si Tutoy, tulog na. Pero okay lang yan. Kahit magmo-movie time tayo dito, hindi magigising. Kasi sobrang himbing talaga niya.